Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and I'm bringing you guys a quick video that a few people have actually reached out to me and asked about. I really was going to do this video. I guess I wasn't going to do it this soon, but tons of you guys have been hitting me up asking me to give you my, I guess impressions or what I think about the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector since I had it installed for a few weeks now. I feel like I can't remember how long ago that I installed it, but it's been a good little while. I've been using it for some time, and I guess some people just want to give you more so my thoughts on it since I've been using it, besides me installing it and then just going over it, what I feel about it. But for the most part, I absolutely love this screen protector. I mean, I've been using it, doing plenty of case reviews, and you see the edges are still intact. Right here on this corner right here, you may see a little bit of debris. If you see it in that corner, let me see if I can wipe it off. But there was like a little bit of glue overrun there, if you can see right here. And that's kind of like the only imperfection that I had during the install. It might be a little bit of debris. Don't know if it's glue or whatever it is. That's maybe the only thing that kind of went wrong with the install after I went back, looked at the video, published it and started looking at the screen protector really clear. That's the only thing that I probably could see that was actually wrong with it. But other than that, it's been going absolutely perfect. I know I received this for free to review, but if I would have paid for this with my own money and actually had to pay 50 bucks for this screen protector, I would have paid for it, and I would have not regretted it one bit, because this thing is super duper smooth. Over time, some screen protectors tend to get a little bit hazy. I'm not sure if you can kind of see this on camera with my iPhone 10s. Now, this is a great screen protector on my iPhone 10. This is a Bodyguard's Pure Shield 2, but over time, it seems, even when I wipe it, it seems to get a little bit like a cloudy, and it never wipes completely clear. But with this Whitestone, I love it. Like, it feels very good using the screen protector. It feels like there isn't in one on your phone. Like, it's a very smooth screen. There's no ridges or running your finger across it. Everything is super duper smooth, and I would easily pay that $50 price tag. So once again, I know a lot of people wanted me to run through it. I'm not sure what exactly you wanted me to actually say or do when it came to this video, but like I said, I absolutely love it. Have no issues with it. Let me pop back on my case here, because I do run it with my case with no issues. And as you know, this is my Patchworks Mono Grip, and that's actually my daily case that I use on my S9 Plus, but I absolutely love it. No issues with the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector. And like I said, I've done tons of case reviews, and so far it has not worked for a case. Every case that I reviewed actually has worked fine for it. I haven't had a case yet that has made it peel up on the edges or do anything like that. So Whitestone Dome, you guys did an excellent job when it came to this screen protector. I'm going to try it for the iPhone 10 if they make one. But, I just really like it. I know it's a $50 price tag, and a lot of people can't justify the price point and spending for it, and I get that. And another guy, I can't think of his name right now, but I was just speaking to him on YouTube, and he said, oh, that's too much for the installation. But I was telling him, if I wasn't recording a video, you can do that installation so quickly. I was going slow, taking my time, because I wanted to make sure I did it right, because that was my first time doing it. I didn't want a company to send me out a $50 screen protector and I messed up the install or anything like that. So I was taking my time going through the process, because that was my first time even using the Whitestone Dome. But if I had to do the process all over again, I'm sure I could do it all over again very quickly, and it would not take me as long. But once you get the installation down and pop it on, it is very cool. You can actually peel this up and do it again if you do mess up before the glue actually dries, if I'm not mistaken. I know I have an extra one in there, so if I had for some reason do an extra screen protector, I could peel this one up, clean the glue off, and then try it again, because they give you a bunch of materials in the packaging that lets you do it for another installation. So that's kind of like my review of the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector. I'm pretty sure I won't make any more videos on this, because I've been using it now for a few weeks, and it's been absolutely amazing. There's nothing that I can say, oh, I wish I didn't have this screen protector, or there's something I really dislike about it. There is nothing I dislike about it. Just because I got it for free doesn't mean I'm giving it high hopes. If I would have paid 50 bucks for this, I still would have gave it the same high hopes, because as you know, these curved screens on these new Samsung Galaxy products, it's hard to find a screen protector that works. This screen protector works amazing, feels smooth, works with every case that I've tried, and there is no peeling or anything on the edges. So once again, Whitestone did an excellent job when making this screen protector fit the curved edges. But if you guys have any more questions about this screen protector, be sure to drop a comment below, because I know I've been getting tons of questions about it, and I hope this video addressed a few of those issues and questions that you had about the screen protector. But if it didn't, I will link the video where I installed this on my S9 Plus above. Like I said, guys, any more questions about this screen protector, drop it down below. You already know I will reply to you. But until next time, later.